Jai Hind friends, welcome to Desh Bhakti Andolan's YouTube channel. Today is a very happy day. Today the N.M. Joshi Marg police station, which is situated in central Mumbai, registered my FIR against Nykaa.com and its officials. In the month of October, more precisely during Navaratri, this company Nykaa.com, nykaa.com. It is an e-commerce portal which has been valued at more than 7 billion US dollars. This company had put out an online ad in which it offered 40% discount on condoms, Navaratri discount. It was not just any other discount, it was a Navaratri discount. The discount was operational only during the 9 days of Navaratri. That is why it was called Navaratri discount. What is bunch of nonsense is this? How dare this company insult Hindu sentiments like this? I immediately got acting and then I dashed off a written complaint to N.M. Joshi Marg police station. Why N.M. Joshi Marg police station? Because this Nykaa.com company, it is a registered office, it is situated in the jurisdiction of N.M. Joshi Marg police station. The police officials there were very cooperative. They admitted that this company is very much situated in their jurisdiction, but they wanted time to study the whole thing. I had pressed that Indian Penal Code section 295A, which deals with deliberately hurting the sentiments of religious sentiments of other communities, be applied in this case. The police took some time, but subsequently when I convinced them that I am within the framework of law in demanding that 295A and FIR under this section of the Indian Penal Code be applied, they agreed that it is a valid complaint, and this morning they called me and then I have filed the FIR against Nykaa.com and the officials concerned. I had specifically mentioned in the written complaint the name of Falguni Nair, who is the founder managing director of this company. Friends, I want to ask whether this company would dare offer a discount during Eid-e-Milad, or for that matter, will this company dare offer a discount during Christmas or the religious festivals of any other community? No. Only when it comes to Hindus, such companies like Nykaa.com, they take us for granted, they take liberties with our religious feelings and sentiments and put out such kind of stupid offers. Friends, the intention is very clear. Intention is to hurt the sentiments of we Hindus. Falguni Nair herself is a Hindu, and she is a Gujarati to boot. And in Gujarat, you know very well how Navaratri is a very, very important festival. Okay, 9 days of Garba. And it is not only Dandiya and Ras, it is 9 days of fasting, it is 9 days of abstinence from alcohol and tobacco and sex. It's 9 days of purity. To offer a 40% discount on condoms during this festival is the deepest insult anybody can ever think of, inflicting on millions of Hindus. The intention is very obvious, it is very clear. The intention is to make fun of Hindus, the intention is to hurt our religious sentiments. I said I will not let this go just like that. I will not let Nykaa.com scot-free. I waited several weeks, and finally today the N.M. Joshi Marg police station, they were good enough to register this FIR of mine. And now the process will follow. This is a cognizable offense and a non-bailable one too, extremely serious. I have demanded the arrest of all the people concerned, the people in Nykaa.com who are behind this ad. I have demanded their arrest and they must be prosecuted criminally. Friends, it is high time we Hindus woke up and fought for our rights. For 70 years we have tolerated all the nonsense which has been heaped on us, but not anymore. There is an awareness of among the Hindus, or not only India but even among the diaspora, and this is something which we should consolidate and carry it further and ensure that nobody dare hurt our sentiments. Whether it is a company, whether it's a corporate, or whether it's a political party, any individuals or whatever it is, we should, wherever we are, please file FIRs. Please file FIRs. If you found any legal help, you can contact me on the email ID which is scrolling on this screen. But don't keep quiet. It is high time we fought back for our dignity. And in the next step, what I am going to do is, I have already filed a written complaint in the local police station in Mumbai about a journalist who has made extremely disparaging statements about Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj. That will be the next step. I will ensure that FIR registered against the journalist regarding this insult to all the followers of the Chhatrapati, and ensure that this gentleman is also criminally prosecuted. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned. Let's be together. Jai Hind.